Hello and welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to register a systematic investment plan SIP using the AR Digital mobile app. I will be guiding you through this process, so let's get started. First, to begin with, launch the AR Digital Wealth app and sign in using your registered mobile number. After logging in, go to the dashboard where you'll see the registration tab located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to continue. Before you can register for a SIP, you need to complete the mandate registration process. Follow these steps. In the registration menu, select Mandate Registration. Fill in the required details such as your bank information and personal details. Click on the Save button. An email with the registration link will be sent to your registered email ID. Open the email and click on the link to complete the mandate registration process on the BSE platform. You can either choose debit card or net banking for the mandate authorization. For instance, we have chosen net banking here. Once you choose net banking, you will be redirected to your bank's net banking login page. You need to log in and authorize the transaction. Return to the app and go back to the registration page. Click on the mandate registration history to check the status of your mandate registration. Kindly note, ideally, mandate registration process gets completed within T+2 working days. Once the status of your mandate is approved, you can proceed for SIP registration. In the registration menu, select SIP registration to begin the SIP registration process. Now, you will have to choose between two investment options, that is, model portfolio and open architecture. To begin with the first option, that is the model portfolio, if you want to invest in a pre-selected group of funds tailored to specific investment strategies, choose model portfolio. After selecting this option, fill in the mandatory SIP details and click on the Next tab. The system will automatically allocate your SIP amount with 100% equity allocation. Once saved, a consent email will be sent to your registered email ID for approval. After you approve, the SIP registration will be executed on the BSE Star platform. The second option is open architecture. If you prefer to select any fund or scheme of your choice, choose open architecture. You can select from a wide range of funds and growth plan schemes for your SIP investment. To invest in multiple funds or schemes, click on the Add button to proceed further. Similarly, once you save the registration, a consent email will be sent to your registered email ID. Upon approval, the SIP registration will be executed on the BSE Star MF platform. Regardless of the investment type you choose, You will need to fill in the necessary details such as the investment amount, frequency, and duration. Ensure all the information is accurate before proceeding. After filling in all the details, click on the Save button. A consent email will be sent to your registered email ID. Open your email and approve the registration to move forward. Once you have given your consent, return to the registration page in the app. Click on SIP registration history to check the status of your SIP registration. Here, you can see whether your registration has been successful or if any further action is required. Kindly note, ensure that your bank account is funded on the day of SIP execution to avoid ECS return charges. And that's it. You have successfully registered for an SIP using our mobile app. We hope this tutorial was helpful and made the process easy to understand. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our customer support team. Thank you for choosing Anand Rathi Digital Wealth Private Limited for your investment needs. Happy investing!